Walkaround has ended. We're now into the stabilization. We have brand new product out on the floor as well, DB11, that has a V8 version of V12, the Volante, and now the Vantage. We're just going through the press launches. So that success is based really around only one full year of DB11. And we just announced that actually, in terms of orders, the Vantage is going to be sold out for 2018 as well. So we'll see increased growth throughout this year. Will Brexit affect us? If the legislation allows it, then yes, but in theory, if everyone's talking, it should be a zero-sum game. I would hope, because there are many manufacturers working, again, cross borders, interlinked within Europe, that everyone will see sense, and actually, rather than just being complicated bureaucracy, it actually makes sense for the industry that there are no tariffs across borders.